Hello friends, let us see white box testing. The white box testing is not as the name suggests the box with white color. The white box testing is now plays the actual role by looking at your code, by testing your external or examining your external code that realizes your functionality. That means the entire functions or your features, your requirements is being converted into functions, and those functions are going to be tested so that the output behavior or the external behavior would be same as expected or could be a different. Now, it is also known as glass box testing. Now, white box testing takes account of program code, your code structure, or internal design flow. Programming code, that means your LOC, the line of code, your code structure, that means are you using array, your for loop, your data structure, are you using stack or queue or array, what kind of data structure are you implemented, and internal design flow, that means how your data will flow from one function to another function. Then the white box methods allow the test engineer to use your detailed program. Now let me tell you one thing. Remember that the white box testing is related to your code, to your programming structure, programming language, whatever you have used, it is entirely based on your code. Nothing is related to your requirements. The requirement part is done because the requirement is black box testing, and we have seen the number of testing that is carried on your requirements. Now we are working on your code. So, effective use of programming unit requires thorough understanding of the unit. Yes, the programming unit, like programming concept, your programming skills. How strong are your skills that you can implement one unit, one module, and that feature has to be tested. White box testing are used by programmers to test their own code. Yes, we can test individually, each and every tester can test. It can be a group test or by an individual test also. So white box basically designed to test to see the defect, the injections of the defect in a program code or its detection and its purpose. That means it it helps you to see that how your defect is investigated, because it can propagate from one module to another if if they are related, and one module and other are related by a procedure call or a function calls, so that the error propagates and there could be a defect in found. Now, static testing, white box testing is divided into two types, and we know that this is static testing and structural testing. In the next session, we talk about the static testing. Till then, enjoy your white box testing. Happy testing!